Alright, lesson for today. If you get a bird to get a bath, make sure all of its fur wet because it will kill all the germs inside its body. So look at it. Make sure all wet until underneath. You see here? It's look clean, isn't it? Please use a lot of water and you sprinkle until it wet. Do not use hose, which is the water is quite thick, because the bird feeling so uneasy. Use just a spray bottle, it's better and faster to get it wet. You see? Very clean. Alright, that's a tip for today. Bye bye. Pang pang pang.